Here is a quick video. These are the two speakers. This is a timer with amplifier. Here's a connection, volume control. This side, and this side is the option for connecting external amplifier and memory card for different music. Now I'll show you some quick manual musics. This one music. This we can control the sound. Second, and this is traditional sound. You can connect. Siren sound. National anthem also you can play automatic. Now 2 o'clock your program automatic. It will play automatically. So we have option can connect wood speaker, 6-inch. This is plastic box. It's also good sound, and you can also use horn speaker. This is called horn speaker. This is 8-inch nice speaker, beautiful look. There is this also. This is the automatic timer system called ABCS 5. This comes with a timer with built-in amplifier. Only we have to connect external speakers like this. All options are there. This is this whatever I show. So plug and play system. Anybody can just connect it with a power adapter, like just connecting any music system. As simple as that, and very easy to program also. Thank you.